When I show you this is called a fan deck, and it's all the colors that Benjamin Moore paints have. Needless to say, there are just thousands of them. You think paint, right? You should be thinking Warren Buffett. Yes, the CEO, chairman and president of Berkshire Hathaway bought Benjamin Moore years ago, and Mike Searles is the CEO. Great to have you.
Hi, nice to be here.
Well, here we have the shareholder meeting. People love Benjamin Moore paints, but I'm more interested in knowing what we can infer from the housing market right now about how your business is doing.
Well, the best indicator we have is resale of existing homes, and in March, that was up 5.5%. So that is a great predictor of future business. And our first quarter for Benjamin Moore is the best in 8 years. So we were up double digits. I think the industry at large in the paint business is doing well.
Okay, that's significant. So you have seen a market improvement here. What do you think's happening in the economy that's evolving?
While consumer spending is reportedly down, GDP is down, but if you look at the numbers, disposable income is up. So consumers have saved more, they've paid down their debt, and now they have an investment that they can make in their house. So biggest investment anybody has is their house. The easiest thing to do is to paint it. We're seeing rising sales. Our competitors are seeing rising sales. So in the housing part of the market, it's actually doing much better than the industry.
Which commodity is the paint industry most dependent upon?
I think it's a chemical called TiO2. It's a product that goes into paint as well as oil. So we've seen raw materials go down as oil prices have gone down.
Which is great for you.
Terrific.
Right?
When you have increased sales and raw materials that are stable are going down, it's always good for business.
Mike, I need to know, because people are overwhelmed by choice. What is the most popular paint color that you guys sell?
I think if you ask my wife, it would be Navajo white. So I'm going to have to go with what my wife says.
Navajo white?
Navajo white.
What is the latest trend in interior?
It's actually our color of the year was announced, and it's called Simply White. And if you look at kitchens, if you look at anything today, the most dramatic change has been the lightness and in particularly white. So it's the hottest color on the market. People looked at it and said, well, wait, that's not a color, but really it is. So Simply White is the one you want to remember.
Mike Searles is the CEO of Benjamin Moore. It's great to have you.
Wonderful
Thank
to
you
be here. Thanks very much
for joining us on Fox Business from Omaha, Nebraska.